Not many Jamaicans knew that this was an original song of Jimmy Cliff. And there are many who believe that Jimmy copied this song. But Jimmy Cliff wrote this song in 1969 in London. The reports are that he was feeling frustrated, that he had gone to London. He was expecting that his career would take off, but he was not getting the impact in London. He was very frustrated. But like a true artist, he channeled this frustration into words that carried such powerful meaning. It is his own frustration that, when crafted into the artistry, that opened the doors. Many rivers to cross would have touched so many minds, inspired so many visions, and lit passion in so many hearts.